Hello engineers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chris Control Automation. If today is the first time you're watching this channel, okay, I'll urge you to subscribe and then you hit the bell icon. You select all to turn on your notification so that you get all my videos. Well, today we are going to continue from the limit switch series we are doing. The two mechanical limit switches and then the timer controlling forward and reverse. Alright, this one is going to be the real world operation of that circuit. We are going to see how the circuit is going to operate. Alright, yeah, as I explained in the diagram and also in the wiring, this is going to be the real world operation, the physical operation of the whole component, right? So let me show you the component we have here. This is our conveyor. Alright, this is our conveyor line. Okay, yeah, and then this is our limit switch 1. This is our limit switch 1, and then this is our limit switch 2. Limit switch 2. This is the item on the conveyor or the box. Okay, yeah, item on the conveyor, and then this is our stop push button, and then our start push button. Okay, this one's right. Okay, now let me show you something here. I told you that when you are about operating the circuit after installing all the sensors, all the components, right, you make sure that the item will sit on the limit switch 1. Okay, so over here you can see, you see the limit switch 2. All right, see, let me show you something here. You see it, the limit switch 2, right? You see it. This one is a diffuse sensor. Okay, they are all part of limit switches, and then we are going to, after the mechanical limit switches, we are going to continue from here. These are all called proximity sensors. Okay, so if you can see the limit switch 2, you see the light, right? It is throwing the light this way. So if there is any obstructions here, it will sense it, right? But let's see the limit switch 1. Okay, let's see the limit switch 1. You see the limit switch 1. Everything, because the box is there. The box is sensing the box. So initially this is how it should be. Okay, after wiring, doing the wiring, everything. Okay, yes, make sure the item on the conveyor will be sensed by the limit switch 1. Okay, so now it is sensing it. That's why the light, this dash line, the red lines, okay, it is not reaching here. You see that? So we're going to see how the operation is going to be. Okay, yeah, so here when we press on the start push button, okay, the conveyor will move in the forward direction. It will move this way in the forward direction. Okay, so when it's going in the forward direction, and then the item get to the limit switch 2, okay, or this diffuse sensor, okay, this limit switch will sense the box, and then it will reverse the conveyor direction. It will operate it in the reverse direction. Okay, so to return. So as it is returning, when it gets to where the limit switch 1 is, the limit switch 1 will sense it, and then it will stop. Okay, it will stop, and then the timer will start counting. It will delay for 10 seconds. Over here I use 10 seconds. Okay, so after the preset time of 10 seconds, the timer will start the conveyor in the forward direction again without anyone pressing on this start push button. Okay, yeah, so we are going to operate the circuit and see how it is going to look like. Okay, so now let me press on the start push button. Okay, yeah, so we are going to start it. Okay, and see how it's going to operate. Let me press it. You see that it is going, right? It is going. When it gets here, it will sense it, to return. So it will delay. I'm using it now. It is delaying. So after the preset time of 10 seconds, it will start again. So let's see. See that? To delay. So now this is the program. Okay, this is the wiring that I did it in the PLC program. Okay, so this is the timer. You see the timer, it is counting. So now it has turned it on again. Okay, yeah, so this is the wiring. All right, the PLC program. Yeah, all right, yeah. So I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, and then you hit the bell icon, you select all for more videos, and then you share the video to your friends. Okay, you share the video to your friends, and then you like the video, you put down your comment. All right, I'll see you in my next tutorials. Thank you.